Welcome to this video tutorial on accessing Kathe-Khajane stories through an Android device using the AntennaPod application. In this video, we will learn how to download the AntennaPod application on an Android device, access the Kathe-Khajane story repository, and subscribe to the story podcasts. A podcast is a series of audio episodes released under a common name or theme. AntennaPod is a free and open source podcast application for Android. It allows you to listen to a wide range of audio content either by streaming online or downloading for offline listening. Kathe-Khajane is a repository of stories approved by Department of State Educational Research and Training (DSERT), created by government school teachers. Now, open any web browser on your mobile and go to the Kathe-Khajane website. The link is given in the description of this video and is also displayed on your screen. This is the home page of Kathe-Khajane, your starting point. At the moment, it's available in 4 languages and more will be added soon. Just tap on the language you prefer. For example, I will choose English. Tapping a language will take you to that language's page. Now tap on the 3 lines at the top left corner and select Help. Here again, you'll see the same 4 language options. Just tap on the one you need. On the Help page, you'll need to choose an option based on the device you are using. For smartphones, there are 2 choices, Android and iPhone. There is also an option for desktop. Since I'm using an Android phone, I'll tap on Android, which takes me to its section. Here, the instructions are shown in 4 steps. The first step says download and install the AntennaPod application using the link provided. If you tap on the word link, it will take you to your phone's Play Store with the AntennaPod install screen. Just tap install. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the open button. Now, let us see how to access and subscribe to the story podcast. Come back to the Kathe-Khajane help page on your phone's browser. Here you will see 4 story podcast buttons: English, Kannada, Marathi and Urdu. As mentioned earlier, more languages will be added in the future. Just tap on the language you want, then tap subscribe like this. Subscribing makes it easier to access the podcast and you'll automatically get any updates. If you'd like to subscribe to more than one language, simply repeat the same step. Go back to the help page, choose another language podcast, and then tap subscribe again. Additionally, if you want to explore more stories created by the community, tap on Community Podcasts. These links let you subscribe to stories created by the teachers, student teachers, and volunteers in various languages. All these steps are a one-time process. Once you have subscribed to the required podcast, open the AntennaPod application on your phone. It will open the home page. Now tap on the subscriptions option at the bottom of the screen to access all the story podcasts you have subscribed to. If you don't see the subscriptions option at the bottom, just tap on the 3 lines at the top left corner and you'll find it there. That's it. Now you are ready to enjoy Kathe-Khajane stories anytime on your Android device. To learn more about accessing and using the stories in the podcast, please watch the second video in this series. Thank you.